6 ways you can empower TARKiiZ mission. Remember us in your prayers. At the heart of righteous endeavors lies the power of intention and prayer. If TARKiiZ resonates with you, we humbly ask for your supplications. May our journey be guided by wisdom, and may our efforts serve to protect and unite communities across the globe. Join us on Android. Your engagement breathes life into TARKiiZ. Download our Android app and create your free account today. Your presence is a step toward a safer digital world, and together we can make a significant impact. Become a part of our community at TARKiiZ.com. Sign up for a free account on our website. By joining our digital fortress, you're not just a user, you're a valued member of a growing family committed to digital safety and privacy. Support our crowdfunding campaign. Every contribution, no matter its size, fuels our mission forward. A one-time pledge to our crowdfunding campaign is an investment in a future where digital communication is secure, private, and accessible to all. Share our vision. The strength of a community lies in its connections. Share TARKiiZ with your family, friends, and colleagues. Each conversation about TARKiiZ spreads awareness and builds a stronger, more informed community. Provide us with your insights. Your feedback is the compass that guides our improvement. Share your thoughts, experiences, and suggestions with us. Your voice matters deeply, and together we can refine and perfect our sanctuary. Your support, in any form, is a beacon of hope and progress. Together, we're not just creating a platform, we're nurturing a movement towards a more secure, respectful digital world. Join us, and let's make TARKiiZ a testament to what we can achieve when we unite for a common cause.